I'm tired, but I'm still gonna love you tonight, baby. Said you've been waiting, so I'm gonna love you all night, baby. Though I'm weary, still gonna give you love, and still gonna make you feel like this is more than real, yeah. Because you're way too beautiful to resist, and you are more than wonderful. Said every day is bliss. You're way too beautiful. How could I resist your love? Your love. Because you're way too beautiful to resist, and you are more than wonderful. Said every day is bliss. You're way too beautiful. How could I resist your love? Your love.
All right, let us hear from our judges. But before then, why do you think Jamaica loved that song so much?
Because I'm lover man Virgo.
No. All right, let's hear from Conroy.
Well, that is more in the kind of style that fits you and suits your voice and stuff. So it's a good performance, and it's better than you did it the first time.
Version.
As I said before, you're a good vocalist, but it's not just singing alone. Performance, you need to interact with your audience more. But it's better than the first. Yeah.
Anthony.
Well, the reggae vein works for you a little bit more than the other sort of stuff, you know, and that pretty much was along a predictable line. But I'm looking for showstoppers tonight. I'm looking for something that's just going to just kind of blow it up and really give Short Boss a fight for his money.
Alaine.
I agree with Anthony, for sure, for the first time in my entire life. And it probably will never happen again. But I thought that you were very comfortable. It was clear. You sounded really nice and silky. And I saw you really very comfortable as you moved across the stage. But we need a showstopper. We need something to make we jump up and scream out, Touriss, take we on tour with you. You know what I mean? So hopefully the third song will bring that.
Thanks, judges.